Okay, so in this subject, we are going to talk about your Clickbank sales in real time. Okay, so right now, as you can see that you've received a sale, it's like if we say date for today, right? So today is 27th October here in India, and for you it's 26, right? So you've received a $97 sale for 26. Now if we go to your account here, and if I select the 26th date here, so you should be able to see that you have made about on 26th you got 5 clicks, you spent about only $6.50 in ads, you got 1 conversion. So and like you spent 6.50 and you made $97.
Yeah,
which is fantastic, right?
Yeah, that's good.
So we're going to keep this momentum. We let this campaign run and see how it goes. But I just wanted to record this particular video as a feedback and progress, or you can say as a testimonial.
Yeah.
And I would like you to ask, how are you feeling getting these sales?
Yeah, I'm happy. That's why I want to see the sales. I'm happy, but as long as there's a momentum.
Yeah, definitely. So see, sales do not fall from the sky. Obviously, it's we have to create that momentum. There's a lot of moving components behind that I have put all together to create this momentum, right? So obviously I would be there. So definitely I would be doing my best to get sales further, but you know, the first sales are the most powerful thing, right? The last sale that you received was again $97, right? So just this week, the week has not even ended, it would end on to, and you've made $194, so which is fantastic. So that being said, this is where we'd like to stop talking on the subject. And if there's someone who's watching this particular testimonial or video on YouTube, let me tell you something. This is the most powerful mentorship program that I usually give to my students, and Isidro is really happy to be one of my students, right, Isidro?
Exactly.
Right. So like, are you getting a complete done for you service here?
Yes.
Right. So so yeah. So that being said, this is where I would like to finish the subject. If you want to get into my mentorship program, you can reach out to me on Facebook or just comment below this video saying mentorship, or you can just send me a direct message on my Facebook profile here. I'll leave the link to my Facebook profile below this video. And yep, so this is my Facebook profile. It's just loading. Yep, that's my Facebook profile. You can send me a message here, and you can say you want to get into my one-on-one mentorship program for affiliate marketing.
You can write in there. You can write while you're in front of the computer.
Yep, that's correct. So that being said, I'll stop recording now.